Hi. So sorry. Have a piece of candy. You want one? Okay. You must be lost. Dr. Robinson's office is like 2 doors down. You're welcome. Bye. You're not with her? You have an appointment here? Are you sure? You do. Sorry, we just don't get that many appointments. Looks like you did all the paperwork. Nice. Okay. Are you sure? You meant to make it for here? You met with the doctor before? Oh. Okay. And what made you book with her? Oh. Yeah, that's kind of like the only reason she gets clients these days. She's just like always available. So sweet though. She's like such a sweetheart. Really sweet boss. Kind of lets me push her over. I won't lie. But well, you do know. Nothing. I'm sure she's getting ready for you right now anyway. I just need you to confirm your date of birth for me. Okay. And allergies. No, okay. Looks like you're just having something really simple done today anyway. I mean, she should be able to do that. Okay. Nothing. She should be fine. Like, in and out type thing. Looks like you're just getting a cyst removed. It's like on the inside here. Yeah, oh, I see it. Yeah. So she's just cutting that out. Okay. Should be simple enough for her. Okay. Okay. Looks like you're gonna have the local anesthesia. Okay. A local anesthetic, just so you don't feel nothing. Okay. No, you don't need to be checked out. Looks like your insurance is covering everything for you today. Yes, love when that happens, right? Okay. So, if you just want to have a seat, she will call you back as soon as she's ready. No, so she actually is kind of like a one-woman show. She doesn't have nurses. I'm like her receptionist. She's very sweet to me, but she just can't keep nurses. For some reason, they like to go to other doctors. They get more patients, more money, But I get paid for being here. I'm kind of like the only one that sticks around. So. Oh no, I don't want you to perceive her badly. She's the sweetest. And she's smart. Yeah. So she's just, So anyway, have a seat. She will be with you shortly. I'm so excited to be doing your surgery today. I know. You're gonna get that big ugly cyst off. Yeah. So, I see here you want a local anesthetic. You don't want like the full thing. I can knock you out. Well, yes, usually there is somebody else that comes in. However, I think she explained to you I'm the only one here. And she doesn't have a medical background. She's wonderful, but she just doesn't have a medical background. So I will be giving you the full thing, as I think you'll benefit from it more. Just going to sleep, okay? Okay. So, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna give you the shot. Okay, and you're just gonna feel really sleepy. Okay, okay, just go to sleep. Okay, I got this. Okay, they're really asleep. Let me see, I have my tray here. See the card. Okay. The card here looks okay. I'm not really sure which one. Kind of looks maybe like something like this one. I know you can't answer me. Or like this one. Yeah, I think so. God, I don't know if I'm prepared for this. Okay, I got this. Okay. So let's just see. So you just shine. I'm just gonna shine a light and look at the cyst. Okay. So gross. God, I have to cut into it. Okay, that's okay. All right, my friend. I'm gonna start. Oh God. Oh no. I thought I could do this. Okay. Oh no, it's kind of bleeding. Okay. So, okay, let's try to get it out. Okay. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna. Okay. Maybe I need to cut it more. Okay, let's see. Let's get some different scissors here. Okay. Just gonna. Okay. I did it the first time so easy. I can't get nervous now. Okay. Just gonna snip it. Okay. Okay, it's going good. I think. Oh God, it looks so gross though. Jesus. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. See the shards. Okay. Let's just gonna go in there and just take it out. Okay. Oh God. Ew. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks weird though. What if that's not everything? Maybe I should just cut some more. I don't know if I should though. Okay. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna okay. Just gonna cut some more. It's okay. Okay. Maybe they need more medicine just in case. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Because it's gonna hurt more now. It's bigger. Okay, I'm gonna take these tweezers. Oh God, there's some over here too. Like, oh. Okay, I'm just gonna. the cyst. Hold on. Get my flashlight. Again, let's see. Just gotta shine it. Okay. Oh god. I don't know what this is. Wait a minute. Let me see. Let me take their temperature. Oh my god. 104. Let me see. Okay, and then I did that. I'm following everything right. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe I just didn't take it all out. Okay. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, just. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, I think I messed that up. Oh no, wait. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, no, I can fix it. Okay, here. We'll just put a band-aid on. Okay. Oh, that looks so much better. And then I'm just gonna wrap it. Okay. Although I did cut off a lot of your arm. Still bleeding. Oh god, I cut off a lot of your arm. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of put that down your throat. Oh god. So this is what I get for being so nervous all the time. Oh no. Okay. Wait, maybe. Okay, cool. Maybe I can just like take this and then just kind of like put it back together like that. Okay, because it's like looks like it's kind of falling off the bone now. Okay, wait. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Let's see. Oh jeez. Okay. Well, maybe if I hit it. Oh god. Okay. Just. Okay. I'm gonna get. Count to 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Now your bone's sticking out. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Wait, no. I got this. What if I give you more medicine? More medicine. I think so. Okay. And then. Okay. Just more band-aids. Just a lot of band-aids. Okay. So we're just gonna patch you up. It's okay.